Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to change the mouse sensitivity settings in your Windows PC or laptop. So let's begin our video. First of all, what you need to do, you just need to go on search option, select mouse, just type mouse and you can find the option change a mouse pointer display or speed. Select it. So after select, here you can see sensitivity settings already open. Right now there have a lot of options. Here you can see mouse speed, you can make it slow or fast, display a lot of options. Here you can see when you show the location of pointer when you press the control key and pointer, lot of option on here. You can choose by yourself which one you actually want, and you can enable this option, or if you don't want you can disable some option. So you can check it and you can change your sensitivity settings. So that's it guys, I hope you can understand. Thanks for watching this video.